In this video, we will show you how to replace your glove box latch on this Chevy Tahoe. This will be mounted to your glove box. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get started on our job. Follow your glove box all the way down to its bottom mounting point. In this area, you'll find that you have 2 rivets and 3 7mm headed mounting bolts. Remove the rivets first. To do this, we'll be using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now we can remove our 7mm headed mounting bolts. Take hold of your glove box, pull the handle, and open it up. At this point, we're going to squeeze on these 2 ears, and now we can remove the glove box from the vehicle. Now over on the bench, we can continue on with removing some of our rivets. Now what you'll notice, there are some rivets along the bottom area of the glove box that we will not be removing. I marked those in yellow. Now let's go ahead and spin that and do our final 3. Now we'll continue on with a small screwdriver and gently start to separate this. Now at this point, we can continue with a hammer and punch. We're going to drive the rest of the rivet into the glove box door. Something that I should mention is once you knock them in here, they're going to start rattling around. So at that point, you can either leave them in there and deal with the noise, or cut a small hole inside this plastic area and then remove each of them. We'll use a hammer and punch and drive these through. Now, if you were trying to remove the rivets, go ahead and put the panel back over this. It's a good idea to make the hole in an area that's hidden by this black panel. So I'll make my hole right around this area. For this, you can use a heated soldering gun with a little sharp blade. Now we can just start removing these with a magnet. Let's continue on to removing our 4 Phillips head mounting screws that hold this in place. Now we can start removing the handle from the rod. To do that, we're going to start pivoting the handle up along this area. Now we should be able to slide it right off of there. And there it is, friends. Now we can start putting on our brand new glove box handle. Pay attention along the back side. That's where the mounting hole is. We'll take this and put it in position so the rod is facing towards where the handle is. Slide this in here. As you can tell, the rod goes through perfectly and it is locked in. Now let's align all 4 of our mounting bolt holes and start in our mounting bolts. Now we can start in our original mounting screws. Put these right in here. Now when you tighten these, remember that they're only screwing into plastic. You just want to bottom them out. You don't need to strip them out. Now we can put on our inner cover, and we'll continue on with some rivets. The size rivet that you want to use is a 4.8 millimeter. You can take that and put it right into position. There we are. Let's get back over to the vehicle. Back over at the truck, let's continue on to removing our 2 pieces of rivet. Use our hammer and punch for this, drive them out of position. Let's get our glove box in position. Just slide it up in here. Now we can make our way down to the bottom. We'll get this aligned and start in our 3 mounting screws. Now we can put in our 2 rivets under here as well. Okay, we have it fully installed. Let's test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.